Hello and welcome to the Pound Trader. I hope you all have been well. In this video, I will be sharing with you my analysis of the Pound USD and the strategy that I will be looking at when it comes to trading in the week of June 19th to 25th, 2023. So thank you all for coming to this video. I hope you guys have been well. I'm repeating myself, but now let's get into the charts. So here you can see that the pound, this is a monthly time frame. We were in a downtrend and I can see now that we are pushing up. In my view, I feel like we might wait for reactions in this trend line over here, or if not, then we might even end up breaking this and then going up. But this is a matter of patience. We don't know yet. This is the monthly time frame, so there's a long way to go. All right, so let's go to the weekly time frame. Now, in the weekly time frame, if you have been watching my videos, then you know that I was waiting for a retest to somewhere around here, somewhere around the 50% Fibonacci ratio, if I put my fib levels. But you can see that this did not happen, but instead it ended up retracing to the 38.2%, which is perfectly okay. That's just the state of the markets. You can see that we were in a range here, and then it reacted at the 38.2 and is now pushing up. So lots of bullish momentum that we can see here. Most probably it will be heading to these levels around here or these levels around here. So I will be on the buy side when it comes to the weekly time frame as well. Let's move to the daily time frame. Now, the daily time frame, last week we had lots of news, so we can see that we have really impulsive bullish momentum over here. We can see that we also have a zone around here, which I just did with my red zone over here. And if I will personally be maybe waiting to see if price can retrace to maybe this level around here, which is the 61.8%. Also strong level because it's a key level as well. But in case it doesn't, then maybe we might continue pushing up. So the main reason I have this like little trend line over here is because I have been using it to sort of see where price might end up falling in case we go up. We can see that in the past, the bullish uptrend has been quite fierce and dramatic, so it might be really high sloped, if that makes sense. But this is just for me. Don't worry too much about it. Let's go to the 4-hour and maybe we can see this clearly. So on the daily, yes, I'm waiting for a retracement and then maybe see if we can get some more buys to the upside. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame now. All right, so let me just delete this. So on the 4-hour, we can see here that we have impulsive moves up. Most probably it might come down to this zone that I have over here from the daily that I've just shown you and then continue going up. But one thing that I have learned about when it comes to trading the pound, sometimes this might not happen. And instead, you might just find that it might correct just a little bit and continue pushing upwards, depending on whether the momentum is still there or not. So I would probably like to see a retracement either to this zone. If I put my fib levels here as well, we can see we do have a 38.2 around here. We also have a 50% over here. Maybe if I was to draw a little trend line, which is what I had on the daily, this is what I have. Yeah, and we can see when it comes to the daily again, let me just go back so I can show you. Yeah, this is the zone that I was looking at so that it can bounce from there. If that makes sense. I hope I make sense. Anyway, let's go to the 1-hour. So yes, just a correction sells and maybe going up, but if not, I'll be looking for buys. So now going over to the 1-hour, we have another trend line here. So sometimes we have a lot of trend lines going on. Just part of something that I have noticed from the market. But we can see here we were moving up, and then on Friday we had like lots of news, I believe, Friday or Thursday. So either if I put like my fib levels here again, we can either have a move that's probably going down to something like this, to the 38.2 or the 50%. And you can see the 50% is also in line with this trend line that we have here. And there's also a zone that I found from the bigger time frames that's also around here. So maybe something like this and then to take it up. But if not, then we will have to wait and see if maybe a price might correct or go up and then look for buys. So I personally will be waiting this coming Monday. I will be waiting to see if I could get a rejection here so I can probably take some counter trends, but I have a particular way of taking counter trends. So I normally wait on the 4-hour, but if this doesn't happen, maybe we could see something like this and then breaking above Friday's high, which is marked in a different color, and then going up. So we'll just have to see, but I personally am not a fan of buying when, you know, market is overextended. So I'd rather be waiting for the market to retrace and then get a buy position. So overall, just even looking from the 4-hour so that it's easier for you to see, I'll be looking for something like that, yeah? Either to take this move because I'm an intraday trader, I trade on the 1-hour time frame. This is what I'll be looking for. And I have a little cold, guys, so sorry. And let's look at the DXY just for a little bit. Now the DXY, we can see it was affected by the news over here. Now, if you also look at the DXY, just because it looks like it's retracing does not necessarily mean that it might continue retracing up from what I've seen. Sometimes, well, we're hoping that it does retrace so that I can also get, you know, the sell move that I'm looking for. But if it decides that, you know, we're just going to go here and then continue going down, then we just have to be careful and wait for the right candles, because sometimes just moving back, you can see that like a place like here, it was a very shallow retracement, which is what we almost have now, and then it continued going down. So please be careful. Even when I'm around here, I'll be waiting just to see if I can get the right candles for me to take this retracement. If I get a bearish engulfing here on the 4-hour, I will take it, or a double top in the 1-hour as I just showed. I'll be taking the sells there as well. So let's now go to the Forex Factory calendar. I am based in Kenya, so my time is set to East African time. On Wednesday at 9 a.m. we have some pound news. We have 5 p.m. we have some USD news. I've also filtered my news to just show me USD, pound, and euro news, just so that my calendar can be a little bit, you know, clear. And on Thursday, we also have lots of news as well. On Friday, we also have news in the morning, and then we have some news here at 4:45. So just something to look out for. This is what I also watch out for before I take any trades. And yeah, that's basically what I'll be looking for. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it insightful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Haven't been as consistent. I also haven't uploaded my trades of the week. It has been my birthday month, so there's that. And also I have been sick a little bit. But anyway, last week I had some L's. Don't remember where I took them. Somewhere around here. I think I had a sell around this level here. And I also had a sell around here, which... not the best, but anyway, but yeah, this is what I'll be looking for this week. I hope it will be a great week, and I also hope you have an enjoyable week and stay safe in the markets. Please subscribe and like if you liked this video. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.